Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. Today, we will present our managerial accounting assignment about rice and crumb muffin manufacturing. First of all, Rice and Crumb Muffin Manufacturing is a food manufacturing company that focuses on producing bakery products, especially muffins. The company was established with the aim of providing fresh, affordable, and high-quality bakery products to consumers in Malaysia. The main product produced by this company is muffin, especially dark chocolate muffin. The production uses quality ingredients such as flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk, and flavoring materials to ensure good taste and product quality. For the target market, the company focuses on both individual consumers and business customers. This includes students, office workers, families, cafes, and retail businesses that require fresh and convenient bakery products. In terms of production, the company follows a systematic process starting from ingredient preparation, baking, quality inspection, and finally packaging before distribution to customers.
Rice and Crumb Muffin manufacturers produce fresh and affordable muffin in various flavors. The company uses quality ingredients and hygienic packaging. The bakery industry in Malaysia is growing because many consumers prefer convenient, ready-to-eat food. However, the company faces competition from other bakeries and increasing raw material costs.
For my part 3.1, job order costing, this method is used to calculate the cost for a specific batch of order of product. For crust and crumb muffin manufacturing, one batch of 1000 dark chocolate muffin is treated as one job order. The total production cost for this batch is 3,700 ringgit. This consists of 2,000 ringgit for direct material, 1,000 ringgit for a direct labor, and 700 for manufacturing overhead. From this calculation, the cost per unit is 3 ringgit 70 cents per muffin. This method is useful because it helps the company track the cost of each batch clearly and support better pricing and profit analysis. Next part, activity-based costing or ABC. This method allocates overhead costs based on the activities involved in the production. Instead of grouping all overhead together, ABC identifies the main activities that consume resources. For this company, the main activities are ingredient mixing, baking process, packaging, and quality inspection. The total overhead cost allocated through ABC is 5,300 ringgit. For example, mixing cost is 1,500 ringgit, baking cost 2,000 ringgit, packaging cost 1,000 ringgit, and quality inspection cost 800 ringgit. ABC is helpful because it gives more accurate cost information and shows which activities are the most expensive. This allows management to improve efficiency and control production costs more effectively. Next, we go to the next part, process costing. This method is suitable for business that produce goods in a large quantity and continuous process. Since rice and crumb muffin manufacturing produce muffin daily in repeated batch, process costing is very suitable. The company produced 5,000 completed muffin and 500 muffin were still 15% complete. This gives 5,250 equivalent units. The total production cost under process costing is 15,000 ringgit, which is include 8,000 ringgit for direct material, 3,500 ringgit for direct labor, and 3,500 ringgit for the manufacturing overhead. After dividing the total cost by equivalent units, the cost per equivalent unit is 2 ringgit 85 cents. This shows that process costing is effective for continuous production because it gives a lower unit cost and is easier to use for large-scale manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Ashraf. I want to talk about cost calculation and product costing. In this section, I will explain the cost calculation and product costing for the production of 1,000 units of dark chocolate muffin at Rice and Crumb Muffin Manufactory. There are three main components of production cost. First is direct material cost, RM 2,000 ringgit, include flour, sugar, eggs, buttermilk, chocolate flavoring, muffin cups, and packaging material. The second is direct labor cost, RM 1,000 ringgit, consists of wages paid to bakers, packaging workers, and quality inspection workers. Third is manufacturing overhead cost, RM 700 ringgit. Include electricity, oven, maintenance, factory utilities, equipment depreciation, and cleaning and sanitation expenses. For total production cost, cost per unit, and conclusion. To calculate the total production cost, we add all three cost components. Direct material RM 2000 ringgit, direct labor RM 1000 ringgit, manufacturing overhead RM 700 ringgit. Therefore, the total production cost is RM 3700 ringgit. Next, the cost per unit is calculated by dividing the total production cost by the number of muffin produced. Cost per unit 1000 unit divided RM 3700 can get RM 3.70 ringgit Malaysia. This means that the production cost is each muffin is RM 3 ringgit 70 cent per unit. In conclusion, costing information is important because it helps the company set a appropriate selling, estimate profit, control production cost, and improve overall business efficiency. Thank you.
Managerial decision analysis. Cost information help rice and crumb muffin manufacturing make a better managerial decision. First is support the decision by showing the cost per muffin is 3 ringgit 70, allowing the company to set profitable selling price of 5 ringgit 18. Second, ABC have identified high cost activities such as baking and mixing for better cost control. Cost information also support the profit planning with estimated monthly profit of 50,000 ringgit. Finally, process costing improve production efficiency by reducing cost per unit to 2 ringgit 85. Next, future business planning. To support future growth of rice and crumb muffin manufacturing can focus on three strategies. First, reduce cost through bulk purchasing, better environment management, and energy efficient equipment. Second, expand the market by supplying to supermarket, convenience store, and university by strengthening social media marketing. Third, improve operation through employee training, computerized costing system, and stricter quality control. This strategy can increase profitability, customer satisfaction, and long-term business sustainability.
I will present the costing method evaluation for rice and crumb muffin manufacture. The company compared three costing methods, which are job order costing, activity-based costing, also known as ABC, and process costing. Firstly, job order costing provides detailed cost information for each production batch. It helps management identify the cost of materials, labor, and overhead for specific orders. However, this method requires a lot of record keeping and is not suitable for large-scale continuous production. Secondly, activity-based costing allocates overhead costs according to activities such as mixing, baking, packing, and quality inspection. This method gives more accurate cost information and helps management improve cost control and operational efficiency. However, ABC is time consuming, difficult to implement, and involves high administrative cost. Lastly, process costing was identified as the most suitable method for rice and crumb muffin manufacture. This is because the company produced muffins continuously in large quantities using standardized production process. Besides that, process costing is easier to calculate and help management monitor production efficiency and control production cost efficiently. The cost per equivalent unit under process cost is RM 2 ringgit 85 cent, which is lower compared to RM 3 ringgit 70 cent under job order costing. This shows that continuous production is more efficient and cost effective for the company. In conclusion, the process costing is the best method for rice and crumb muffin manufacture because it supports smooth production operations, improve efficiency, and help the company maintain profitability and product quality. Thank you.